I am Dharam Khungur Sorgari. I am from Delgusi, Baksa district. I've completed my schooling from my own village and I completed my higher secondary college in Rangya town. After the completion of my schooling and college, I went to Rajasthan to pursue my bachelor's in architecture. And during the time of my bachelor's, I have developed my interest towards workout, or not kind of bodybuilding, just to maintain my fitness level. Then I got interest in modeling from my campus competitions, and after that I went to our state level competition, and then I went to national level competition, and after that I went to represent my country in Mr. Global, where I was subtitled, means like title from India as a Mr. Global India to represent my own country. At the same time, when I went to Mr. Global India to represent in Mr. Global, I shoot a music video named as Sona in 2018. From that time, I started my acting career as a hobby, and after completion of my bachelor's in architecture, right now I'm practicing as an architect in Assam under Sorgari Architects, which is based in Guwahati. And right now, after completion of my bachelor's in architecture, professionally right now at present I am working as an architect under Sorgari Architects, as well as I act in music videos whenever people invite me to act in their music videos. Despite having a degree in architecture, I decided to go for acting and modeling because it was like hobby for me. Because so much busy in academic during your academic career, so that because of like for modeling and acting career, I got to know myself in some other scenario. Like I got to know about my other capabilities, from which I got to learn to how to communicate, how to maintain my body, how to express emotions as per the acting, as per the script. As a professionally, when I was pursuing my bachelor's in architecture, during the same time I had developed my interest towards building body, like bodybuilding. At the same time, there is a fest called Utopia in our campus, where I have got chance to participate in that inter-college modeling competition. At that time, I didn't win any kinds of titles or something like that. After that, I got to know about Fair and Lovely, Mr. Mega Mr. Northeast, Fair and Lovely Mega Mr. Northeast, which is organized in Assam. It's like kind of interstate competition in our Northeast region. So from that state level, and then after that I went to national level male pageant competition, and after that I went to international level to represent our country, which is known as Mr. Global. So it is like kind of top 5, not like kind, it's come in top 5 male pageant competition, which is organized in between the like 40 countries around the world. So I started my journey from that campus level male pageant competition and to that international level, where modeling and acting is not a career for me, it is a hobby. During college, I have started my workout, from which I have started my modeling career, due to which I got a chance to represent India in Mr. Global, which was a proud moment for me. Recognizing my growth in my modeling career, people have started to recognize me, and people have invited me to feature in their music videos, as well as they have invited me as a judge in some modeling competitions like Mr. and Miss K Guwahati, and some other competitions to present prizes to the contestants, like in Mrs. India Beauty Queen in Chandigarh, and in some opening ceremonies as a chief guest. At present, I am practicing as an architect, and I see myself so that I can work in more music videos in future. As I am professionally working as an architect, I want to implement my knowledge and ideas towards construction building in our society, in our native areas, wherever the development is needed. If anyone comes to me regarding their construction, I will try to give him the best from my idea and experiences, and I want to see myself fit in development towards the development of our society, to contribute some of my little amount of my knowledge and my work to help our society to grow in future. As you ask about like my advices towards modeling career, every career has its positive and negative side for. So I want to describe some. I want to elaborate something about some criteria about modeling career. So first of all, in this modeling career, that physical appearance is kinds of like major criteria, like uh, your physical height and your like body fitness, and how you can represent yourself in front of other peoples, and how you're gonna communicate. So basically there are like pageant competitions in which they will overall see all that your talent, your like expressions, your communication skills. In these pageant competitions, there is like for the male pageant competition there is some kinds of different criterias. For the female pageant competitions there is some kind of different criterias, and for the print model and ramp model there is some kind of different criteria. So basically when you want to pursue that modeling career, every career has its ups and downfalls. So like from my opinion, like you need to, so during that modeling career it's all about your that physical criteria. You can't predict your future, that what is going to happen with you tomorrow, what is going to happen with you tomorrow. From my opinion, like you need to have some kinds of extra backup plan with you. If you falls, if your that modeling career falls down, that there is something in your backup, so that you can again rise up and again you can hold back to your career life. In my case, like yeah, I was so much addicted towards my like physical fitness and like this kinds of modeling career. But during this modeling career, I never neglected my architecture. I never compromised my education. During my modeling career, I never compromised or like I give less attention towards my studies. So I tried my best even in my architecture, even in my modeling. So you need to balance your life with like your hobby, your interest with your career, so that in future if any kinds of difficulties happens, or some any kinds of like during college, working out started as a hobby. The hobby opened the door for modeling, and because of that, modeling was easy for me. I think my cheerful nature, my love for hobby and hard work landed me my titles. When I've started my working out, where I need to maintain my fitness, I need to follow a strict routine, for which I've learned how to manage time, how to manage your life, how to manage your food, which helped me a lot to change my whole appearance toward my life. During my modeling career, I've started from my campus level modeling competition to state level, in which pageant which is known as Fair and Lovely, name as Mr. Fast Track winner. And in JCRC campus, I win the title named as Mr. Rhythm. And in Mr. India Manhunt International, I have won. In Mr. India Manhunt International, I have won 2 subtitles and 1 title. One Mr. Popular and one Mr. East India, and one as Mr. Global India, from which I have got chance to represent my country in Mr. Global, which was very proud moment for me to represent myself as a Boro in international level. My parents are my inspiration. I am what I am today because of them. They have supported me in every step. They have guided me with wrong and right, so that I can stand in every phase of my life. They have helped me a lot by sacrificing their needs, their requirements. So after watching them, how they have managed their all needs and requirements, how they have sacrificed their needs, these all things made me strong and stronger each and every day in my life. For which right now, being that older boy in our family, so just because of them, I am like as an elder son in our family. I have I have learned how to take the responsibilities in families. So they inspired me a lot to. Uh, they inspired me a lot how to live in the society by helping others and how to survive in life. So my advice towards the viewers and the young generations: give your best whatever you do and always help others, be happy and be good. So if you see each and every successful people in the world, you guys never know how much time they have failed to reach that successful position they have right now. So I didn't I didn't win at my first attempt, or I got selected in any international pageant or any kinds of modeling agencies. So each and everything takes their time to reach that position. If you start your journey from from Guwahati to like Bangalore or something like in Delhi, so if you go by road, it will like whichever thing that you will take to travel to that place, whatever it's car or like you by bus or by flight, it will take time, a specific time. So there is no shortcut in your life. So and nothing come easy in your life. So uh, be good. Whatever you guys are doing, try to give your best, 100% from your bottom, your from your like from your core of your heart or